Assalamu alaikum, Elena here, the Muslim Travel Girl, and today I want to cover a topic that's been frequently asked on my website and on social media about when is the best time to actually go for Umrah. Now, really, there is no specific best time. Saudi is always busy, but there are some times when hotels are cheaper and also there is less crowd, which I would like to call off-peak times kind of thing. And for me, those times will be after major holidays. So, for example, mainstream major holidays like Christmas and Easter, which also coincides with after school holidays, unfortunately, for those parents. And I am going to do a video on school holidays and how you can, get a little bit more out of your money and time there. But for me, it will be, for example, a week after, New Year's, for example, a week after the school holidays in February for the UK people, a week after Easter holidays, because most people don't actually go, when because they try to combine their holidays, their annual leave with it. So it is less busy, it is less crowded, and also hotels, especially near the Kaaba, near the Haram, are much cheaper as well. And also during Ramadan, if you were to go during Ramadan or just before Ramadan started, that will be a very good time as well to try and go in Medina first. And then the first few days of Ramadan are normally cheaper in Mecca as well. So you can literally just go when they announce that it is Ramadan and, enjoy all the benefits of being in Ramadan in Mecca without having to pay the sky high prices. I understand that a lot of people do want to go at the time when, it's the last 10 nights of Ramadan, for example. However, this is more expensive. If you want to know how to save more money, go and check out my book, DIYumrah.com, and find out how to do that. But if you do want to save money and you have the flexibility and you don't care that you don't go during the last 10 nights, then literally the weeks just before Ramadan starts and the few days of Ramadan before everybody else comes is a good time to go. And it is, again, I consider off peak. And of course, after Ramadan has finished, there is, especially for those who go on tourist visa, there are about 5-6 weeks where Saudi is still open and you can actually go and it is less busy as well. Just probably after Eid holidays, literally about 4 or 5 days after the Eid holidays. That's when it is less crowded and it's less busy because pretty much everybody has left to celebrate Eid with their families. And this is a very good opportunity as well because it is quieter and it is also cheaper and you can get a great experience out of it. And I would say October, literally, just, after the school holidays start. And unfortunately for parents, this is very sad. But it is when it is much, much cheaper to go. December is generally expensive, especially after the 20th of December when, school holidays and Christmas starts. But overall, I would say a week after each major holiday, about just literally before Ramadan, a week or 5 days after Ramadan, inshallah, has finished after Eid holidays. It's a very good time to go, after Hajj, pretty much straight away after the open. They normally open after Hajj about 6 weeks after the Hajj time for people to enter. Then it's also a very good time to go because it still hasn't, people haven't gone in. And if you're of the first one, you will have a very nice experience. But in general, I hope this kind of answers your question when it is the best time to go for Umrah. And I hope you benefited from this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, save it for when you go for Umrah, inshallah, and watch some more videos. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.